Surrounded by low stone walls, this lovely cape, located in Cumberland, combines classic appeal with modern amenities. Exposed beams and a brick fireplace in the dining room display beautiful craftsmanship and create a romantic atmosphere. This same traditional feeling is present in the study, living room, and bathroom on the wing of this home. Completing this side is a sizable mudroom with plenty of storage and walls of windows. On the opposite side of the home is a chef's kitchen boasting stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and cherry cabinets. Entertain guests in the adjoining family room or step down to the sunny breakfast area and enjoy a casual meal. Step out onto the rear wooden deck overlooking the oversized yard that provides space for gardening, outdoor recreation, and livestock. On the second floor is a spacious master bedroom, along with a nearby master bath and tiled spa shower. Two additional generous bedrooms share a full bath and round out this level. Walk the nature trails at Diamond Hill Park or walk the paths at the monastery, where the local library is located. Taste the flavors at the ice cream machine or visit Phantom Farms and grab some locally grown produce. Travel down to Providence in less than 30 minutes and enjoy the vibrant cultural scene and dining options. For more information, please visit the property website or call Ryan Antrop at area code 401-480-4564.